Do you need help? Kailangan mo ng tulong? Can I help? Maari ba akong tumulong? I need your help. Kailangan ko ng tulong mo. What can I help? Ano ang maitutulong ko? Can you help me? Maari mo ba akong tulungan? She called for help. Humingi siya ng tulong. She asked for my help. Hiningi niya ang tulong ko. I want to help them. Gusto ko silang tulungan. Nangangailangan sila ng tulong. They need help. What can I help? Ano ang maitutulong ko? I was able to help them. Natulungan ko sila. She is in need of help. Kailangan niya ng tulong. He asked for our help. Hiningi niya ang tulong natin. I can't help you with it. Hindi kita matutulungan dyan. It's my duty to help you. Tungkulin ko na tulungan ka. She didn't even try to help. Hindi man lang siya tumulong. Thank you for your help. Salamat sa tulong mo. I expect that he will help us. Umaasa ako na tutulungan niya tayo. Why can't you help me? Bakit hindi mo ako matulungan? Did you help him again? Tinulungan mo ba siya ulit? Can you help look after my kids? Pwedeng pakibantayan ang mga anak ko? Who helped you with that? Sino ang tumulong sa'yo niyan? Our help is on the way. Paparating na ang tulong natin. They have to help us in any way. Kailangang tulungan nila tayo sa anumang paraan. I suppose he wanted to help. Palagay ko gusto niyang tumulong. I can't help you now. Hindi kita matutulungan ngayon. This time, we will help. Ngayon, tutulong kami. How am I supposed to help? Paano ba ako tutulong? What did you help then? Ano ang naitulong mo noon? I will make sure that they will help us. Sisiguraduhin kong tutulungan nila tayo. How did you help them? Paano mo sila tinulungan? What have you helped them? Ano ang naitulong mo sa kanila? I will try to help them. Susubukan kong tulungan sila. I love helping other people. Gustong-gusto kong tumulong sa ibang tao. Did he really help you? Tinulungan ka ba niya talaga? That would be a big help for me. Isang malaking tulong iyon sa akin. Why won't they help you? Bakit hindi nila tayo tutulungan? I'll send help this afternoon. Magpapadala ako ng tulong mamayang hapon. It may not help you now. Maaring hindi ito makatulong sa iyo ngayon.